Okay, so the 2018 version of how to post a replay. And everybody knows you save a replay and you get this. I'm not quite sure why people post this web address when all you have to do is click that, right click, copy, get rid of that, highlight the text that you want, click on add edit link, right click paste, open in a new window, and there's the link. Or if you want to be clever and post an image, this is ShareX, no longer using post image. That's pretty cool. And I save it as replay, and then I'll save it on the computer. And then down here, see that? It's already online. So I'll just go here. That's it. There's the picture. Edit the link. Yeah, thanks for that. And that's it. How to post a replay.